Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo and Ellie giving gifts to each other. Let's start drawing. At first I draw Pocoyo. I draw his eyes, his little nose, and his smiling mouth. I draw his face, and then the shape of his head. I draw a Santa Claus hat on top of his head. I draw his body and his arms. Then I draw his two legs. He is sitting. Now I draw a gift box. Finally, I draw Ellie. And I start with her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. She is wearing a Santa hat too. She has two big ears. Her shoulders and her arms. Then her body and legs. She is also sitting. Finally, I draw some small details. I draw a nice light string over their heads. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Let's color Pocoyo. Mouth will be light red. Now I'm going to color Pocoyo's skin with this cream marker. His outfit is blue, so I'm going to color her clothes with this blue marker. Red. For the zipper of her sweater, I use this yellow marker. Purple. Pink. Red. Let's color Ellie. She's a pink elephant, so I'm going to use this beautiful pink marker to her entire body. Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, purple, pink, fuchsia, light red, dark green. Very good! Today, we are going to draw and color Pato and Pocoyo giving each other gifts. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw Pato. I start with his eyes, then his beak, and the shape of his head. On his head, he wears a hat. I draw his neck and his body. Then I draw Pocoyo next to him. I draw his eyes, his nose, and his mouth. I draw his face and the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. Now I draw his body, his arms. And I draw his arm like this. In his hand, he holds a nice gift box. Then I draw another gift here, which one Pato holds in his beak. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I color Pato. He is a yellow duck, so I color his body with this yellow marker. I use orange for his beak. I color the hat green. For the gift box, I use red. And orange. Now I'm going to color Pocoyo's skin with this cream marker. Red. His outfit is blue, so I'm going to color his clothes with this blue marker. Yellow. His gift box is going to be green. And purple. Finally, I add a little light purple to the background. What a beautiful drawing! Very good! Brilliant! Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo, Nina, and Pato with a star. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw Pocoyo. I draw his eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth. Then I start to draw his face. And also draw a star shape like this. He is holding in his hands. Then I draw the rest of his head. He is wearing a hat. Now let's draw a horizontal line like this in front of him along the paper. Then I start to draw Nina. I draw her eyes, her nose, and a small O shape for her mouth. She is thinking about something. She is surprised. Then I draw her face and her hair. And I continue with her great and beautiful hat. And her body. On the other side, I draw Pato. Let's draw his eyes like this. He is also looking at the star in Pocoyo's hands. I draw his beak and his hat. Then I draw his body. Brilliant! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color Nina first. I put cream on her skin. Then I use light red for her mouth. For her hair, I use this red marker. Then I color her outfit light green. Now I continue with Pocoyo. I also color his cream skin. Then I use light red for his mouth. For his outfit, I use this blue marker. I color the star in his hand with yellow. Finally, let's color Pato. I use yellow for his skin and orange for his beak. His hat will be dark green. Then I use brown in this part. And add a little dark blue to the background. Excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.